Hey guys, in this video I want to merge all subtitles into one text that is separated by the enter or new line. Let's make a C++ function to do it for us. Let's start the Visual Studio and open the mygameplay.statics.h file. Then write this function. Follow the video and make sure everything goes well. Make sure the text array is not null. Then with a range-based loop, search through the array. We should store all the text into a single string and at the end of the function, with a simple conversation, return it as ftext. After each line, we must use line terminator macro to make a new line in the string. Compile the script. Open the level blueprint and drag get audio subtitles, return value and type merge to a single text by enter. Click on it and connect return value to dialog. Play and see the result. We have both subtitles in the widget. In the next video we want to remove the subtitle in a proper time.